What up? What up? What up? Freaking market. Market's moving today. Oh boy. Oh. Oh geez. Yo, what up, Jesse Cruz? How's my day going? My day's going pretty good. Boom, just hit for a hundy on TopStep real quick. Yo, what up, cats? Because Google says they can't. People don't get the notifications, so I think we're gonna head really far down here. Oh shit! Boom. That's my funded. All right. So how you zoom in on Rhythmic Trader Pro is I only use the ball of the mouse. So I go right here, I click, and I gotta move the ball of the mouse one way or the other. It's really freaking choppy. Also, I use select this off so you see everything. And I'd show 50 bars. Show the last 50 bars. Vexus. Yo, what up, Lee? We got John O'Connor in the house. Desmond, what up? What up? I'm working on my Take Profit Trader. By the way, I'll let everybody know again, but Take Profit Trader deal goes away on July 28th. So just letting you guys know. There's something wrong with my Rhythmic Trader Pro over here. We gonna break out of this thing? Yo, Coors X, congrats. Yo, hit him with the congrats. Hit him with the old confetti. Congrats, Coors. Is that your first one? Oh, and Cat's amazing. Jeez. Your request got approved last night. Nice. I don't know why I'm in minis, but I'm in minis still. Interesting. I meant to do that in I was in micros. I meant to do that in minis. So I cranked $1,000 in this PA account already, which is nice. This one's getting close to a payout. I got 235 in Take Profit Trader. So I do and I don't. Sometimes I'll go in the same trade in multiple accounts, and then sometimes I don't, depending on what my level of what my level of certainty is. Donovan McNally, what up? Yo, we're getting people getting paid over here, passing. Seems like a pretty good day. I just got home, so I wasn't around, but I missed getting this bottom. So this is 883. I had an order. Oh no, you know what? I did get filled. Fuck, man, I did get filled. I was playing this. I would have gotten filled and taken out 50. Jeez. That's crazy. Yo, imagine slamming 15 contracts long pro at the bottom and holding. Yo, Micah, that's why I tell people that I like Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader, by the way, their deal goes away. Their deal goes away on the 28th. So if you want to take Profit Trader account, you got to use my coupon code before, I think, by the 28th. Otherwise, I don't know what the next deal is. If they're going to have a deal, I don't know what's going to go on. Donovan McNabb. Ivan Austin, what's going on? SB sold. My day is okay. I got one account up big. I got this funded account up 235. I started TopStep X again, up 77. Oh, jeez. Look, I think we're going to break this to the downside. Yo, Corey. Yo, Corey, you know what? You bought 150 take right. Yo, thanks for the support. I appreciate the support, man. And just so you know, Corey, the deal ends on the 28th. If you didn't know. Dude, you're trading two phones again? Oh, geez. I watched the videos. Well, if 10 contracts would be 18,000, 15 contracts would be $27,000, cats. Because it's 50% more. Yo, Corey, yeah, those accounts, I don't know what they're going to do, but something's going on with Take Profit Trader on July 28th. So that's the end of it. I don't know if they're going to come out with a different thing. Speed Racer, shout out. Thank you for the support. Yeah, I hope you guys freaking get it. Just remember, when you get those Take Profit Trader accounts, just take your time. Wait for a good setup, because what's good is once you get funded, there's no activation fee. There is zero activation fee. Yo, Joe in the house today. Joe, what up? Yo, there's a lot of huge price action today. I'll be honest with you. The one thing I want to do with Take Profit Trader is I do want to get in like 5 micros or 1 mini and just hold it on like a trend day and kind of see what happens. That's kind of like my bucket list of things I want to do is literally get in on Take Profit Trader funded. Where do I get all those accounts you give away? What, like how do you win one, Speed Racer? We do the or how do I actually get them? Yo, Bedella in the house. Yeah, yeah, Corey. That they're telling everybody July 28th is the end. Oh, I basically whoever wins, I Venmo, Zelle, or PayPal you the money to get the account. I don't like get them. Like if you thought I got like I don't get like a free account to give you. I literally send you the money to go get an account. But if you're looking to win it on Friday, tomorrow we're gonna do a duck race. Duck race people, you got to win the duck race. Duck race is gonna go off at 3:15 tomorrow. Man, this thing just blew right through. Yo, what up, man? Scalper? Yeah, yo, the ducks. Time to quack. Quack, quack, quack. But yeah, I don't get free account. I don't know if anybody gets free accounts to give away. I just send you the money for it. Good job, John. That's a solid. Never held for a trade, but would like some time. But it's still not my style either. But dude, if you're up 500 today and you're normally only up $80, you're having a hell of a day. Corey, you could set it up. Are you using Tradeovate, right? In the accounts, you go to manage groups and you set up a group to copy trade. That's how you do it. I'm so thirsty. I'm surprised they didn't push it down further here. Yeah, basically took out the highs, faked everybody out, and then took out the lows. Yep. Some nasty action right there. Oh, the thing to manage groups is not showing. You might have to do the groups on a desktop, and then when you go on your phone, it's there. Just throwing it out there. The problem with me is I got all these freaking accounts. I'm gonna try catching a bounce. Yeah, some things you got to do on the desktop. Yeah, I mean honestly, Tradeovate kind of sucks. That's why it's like, yo, what up, K-Con? We need to use the copier for trading copy. Tradeovate can't do bracket orders across all accounts. I think it can, where you set up like a sell and a buy, and then you just do the amount of contracts through all the accounts. I'm pretty sure you can. I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. This thing looks dog. This thing looks like duty. Boom! Yeah, manually. I don't have to do anything auto. So manual brackets is where I would think. I mean, it'll just do your group. So if you group 20 accounts together, you would buy 20 contracts above, sell 20 contracts below, and you do it just manually put the orders in. That's how it would work. Rhythmic moves so slow. It's definitely a different look on the chart. Do you have it set to 5 minutes or 1 minute? How do you have it yours set? Yeah, any questions, feel free to ask. I mean, that's what, that's what I'm here for. I also have to reset Rhythmic every single day, Vexus, just so you're aware. Why, you're on bigger candles? Vexus is using Bullnox for the first time, and they only have Rhythmic accounts. Yeah, um, it's definitely harder to use, but once you have it set up, you can use rhythmic accounts, which are actually cheaper than Tradeovate accounts. Yo, I think this is gonna come down to VWAP over here. What is that? 179. See what's weird? The calculation of VWAP is actually different depending on what time frame you're looking at. $171. Come on down. Yeah. Dude, oh, you guys got to see what I ordered. Oh my God. This thing comes in the mail today, and I'll have it on the stream tomorrow. You are going to die. I got it. I got it for the stream. So weird. I wasn't in all. Oh, we almost. What did we go down to? 56? I still think we see 50 to 45 here. I still think we're going to be in that range. I just think we went down too fast. Oh, dude, I got to show you. I can't tell you. It's going to be amazing. I get it. Dude, if Amazon comes and delivers it, I'm checking right now. Package is out for delivery. Actually, I will have it on for this stream, John. It will be here in 6 stops. The guy is literally down the block. Once he delivers it, I will go get it. And you guys will die laughing. Get a quick 200 rejection. Oh, it's not even going to go up there. But I did it for the stream. Dude, he's 5 stops away right now. So he was just 6 stops. Now he's 5. I'm going to have it here in 20 minutes. 20, 25 minutes, I'll have it. I'll go outside and go grab it. Oh man, it's freaking awesome. I was supposed to be here before 8 in the morning or 10 in the morning, so I don't know what the hell happened. No, we're not going to test the 200 here. Five stops away. I see his little truck bouncing around on my out for delivery. This thing's under the 9. This thing's going to drop. Watch it just roll. I'm going to switch to minis, micros, because I'm kind of confident, but not like fully because I got a badass, super bad entry. But I think I could still make maybe like 40 bucks, 30, 40 bucks. Come on. There. There we go. Just some quick scalps, hit them with a couple jabs. I can't just go for home runs all the time. Got to just go for little base hits until you could take that big shot. This just seems like it wants to sell. It can't get over the 9. I wonder if it just rolls down here. Roll. Just roll. No. Yeah. Come on, guy. Yo, so interesting news. My funded futures FX, which is not my funded FX, which is the Forex side of my funded futures, got rid of their consistency rule on funded accounts, which I find interesting because they might get rid of it on their paid accounts. Boom, baby. Told you it was going to roll. Everybody get your roll on. Remember big timers? Everybody get your roll on. Let's see. Are we I like to see where we are on different types of days. We tend to be more yeses than no on up days. So I wonder what today is, considering we moved around so much. I kind of don't like this. It's got that sell signal. Interesting. Anybody use this script yet? Man, I came from Forex. Never again. Corey, Forex is a brutal. Forex is one rough freaking thing. I didn't even find the spreads to be that bad. I just thought trading was awful. Little scalpadoo made Willie trades. Made 960 on the day. This is the best week of trading since I've started 1 year ago. Wow, 10,800 on the week across all my PAs. Yo, everybody hit Willie with some confetti. That is freaking awesome, man. Bro, congrats. Actually, it's such a big congrats. I'm going to even type it out. Dude. That's freaking money. Now, my question to you, well, Willie, didn't you win a free account, Willie? I think you won a free account this week. Or was that last week? Now, Willie, what changed? Oh yeah, you did win a free account. Do you still have that free account? Is it up, or did you smoke it? You got one on the nice. Oh, you still have it. Congrats, man. Congrats. This is gonna dump. I'll take one more last shot here. I got stopped. Um, Willie, what changed that you started making more money? What did you start using, or what did you start doing that helped you with making more money? Yeah, passing evals is easier because it's a 1 day pass and you can kind of go all in. Um, yeah, I'm with you on that. Uh, is this really going to just dump a do? Discipline. You lack the discipline. I stopped trading the PAs every day too. Only trade the PAs 1 to 3 days a week. Interesting. That's interesting. I guess you're waiting for the right setups now. You're not just freaking slamming contracts. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Copy trading a couple of them and then letting a couple of them just ride. So here's my thought. Here's my thought process on fast track trading. Um, I I think they're real. Like I think they're paying people out. Um, but like honestly, if you can't accept credit card payments, I can just go to a different account and get credit card payments and like that. Um, yeah, you get a funded account instantly, which sounds great. There's just a lot of rules on their funded account. The consistency rule is 20%, which is small. Um, I don't know. Like I'm not a huge pay with, you know, Pepe coin, you know, or my Starbucks gift card person. But if they had credit card payments, I would be interested in testing it out. Am I going to make it my permanent home? Probably not. Um, Futures has so here's the spread. It's very small. It's 25 or 50 cents majority of the time. Dude, that's hysterical, by the way. Yo, duck race is tomorrow, every Friday. Every Friday is the duck race, guys. You got to be here Friday. We did a giveaway on I think Tuesday also. This thing's just freaking um dude, that's hysterical. You get a discount if you were denied a payout from Apex. It's kind of funny. Dude, that was just a nice hit. That was 115 bucks. You could just see the trend is staying below this. I just got a bad entry. That's why I was out. And we're approaching 19,200, so you're probably going to get a little bit of a bounce. So That's why I didn't hold this short, if you were wondering. But I do think it sells off to about this zone, which is VWAP. VWAP. It'll sell out. It'll sell down to the VWAP. The VWAP. So yeah. What else? Yeah. So I mean, listen, the owner's out there on Fast Track. Like he's not trying to hide from you. There are commissions on this. I don't know what they are, but there's definitely commissions. 0 day reference on what? What did I say? Did I say the VWAP? That's actually a Patrick Weiland reference. Me and Jay joke around about it all the freaking time, though. We're like, yo, are you going to the VWAP? Yeah, well, that's where he got it from. Me and him, dude, yeah. Jay's funny. But yeah, we we talked about it because Patrick Weiland says the VWAP all the time. So me and him started saying the VWAP to each other, and then he ended up saying it on the stream. You got to remember, me and Jay have been doing this well before, we were streaming. So, but yeah, the VWAP, dude. Sometimes he'll be like, I'm on the phone with him. He's like, I gotta go, and I'll be like, yo, you going to the VWAP? Yeah. Yeah. Patrick is freaking. Listen, entertainment wise, Patrick is fucking great. Do I think he makes a lot of money trading? I think he has really good days. But when he was trying to get funded and a payout from Apex, it actually took him a long time to get a payout from Apex. And the amount of he was trading like 20 accounts at a time. So I imagine he smoked hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of accounts, if not into the thousands, because he was trading 20 accounts at a clip. And then he was trading at night. Sometimes he was saying, like, I assume he was oh, yeah, I didn't know that. I don't look too far into it. Listen, I try to support anybody that's going to come on here and put themselves out here is opening them up to being fucking made fun of and everything else. Like, I got people on here all the time that talk shit, and it's whatever. Like, I don't care. But, awesome for coming on here. But yeah, I think he makes a lot more money on YouTube than he does on actual trading. Like, I've never seen him trade options or stocks, so he's not doing that. I think he just trades. Yeah, K-Kind. I mean, so me and Jay have known each other since 2009. We're best friends outside of the internet. So yeah, I actually got him into trading. True story. But yeah, I think our approach is very much the same on the stream. We like to have fun. We talk about a lot of the same stuff because literally I was on the phone with him for an hour before I got on the stream. And I was like, dude, I got to get off. I'm getting on the stream. And then while I was on the stream, he was actually messaging me on Skype. So yeah, me and him are close. But yeah, we always just joke around. But anyways, back to this. This is actually looking halfway decent. But I might take a scalp here at the 200 if it gets back up there. I do want it to fail which it would kind of fail if we got below this. When will I start my own prop firm? Probably never. I don't know the first thing about starting it. Although it seems like anyone can start it, to be honest with you. Fast Track threw up a website with race cars on it, and they started one. It seems like they just track on the back end. This is going to come down to view up. This will come down to the view up. Oh, man. Oh, man. My channel has more traction than TopStep. I'm glad you guys enjoy. Oh, yo, the thing that I wanted just came. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. I will be back in 2 minutes. The thing I want for the stream just got delivered. You are going to laugh. What? I think I have one of those Celsius. I appreciate it. I do. I'll show you later. Oh, wow. I'm in. Holy shit. I'm in. Scalp. Wow, dude, somebody text me. Somebody's got to text me and be like, yo, bro, you just got in. Oh, baby. Here we go. Dude, you guys are going to freaking die laughing. Yo, next time you say we're going to the moon, I got my moon hat on. We going to the moon? Oh, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Yo. Astronaut games. Come on. Pump this thing up. Yo, Corey, you like this thing? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. I think they're going to pump it up to the 21 on the 5. Yo, this is my new helmet. Only if we go to the moon. I still got some of this stuff on here and whatnot. Uh-oh. This is smelling like rejection. Nope. Oh, fuck. Yo, next time I'm in something and we're going freaking high or I want it, I just throw on the freaking astronaut. Come on, baby. Come on. It's consolidating right here. This has pump it. Oh, I should have just taken freaking even money. I'm out. I think this is gonna freaking. Fuck it. I'm back in for a scalp. Is that, bro? Willie, yo, I would be all about that. I would be all about that. This thing's looking decent. The one thing I don't like about it is we keep wicking. I just grabbed some micro. I grabbed some micros. I'll just scalp it real quick. This account was down like $300, so I just put in some good work here, bro. Imagine hotboxing this freaking helmet. Yo, it does kind of look like the fast track trading guy. So now I got my moon helmet. Bro, I got a whole bunch of I got some other gimmicks here. I got my green hammer of gains just hanging out here. Gotta be green. I got the other astronaut helmet too I had on yesterday. Yo, yeah. What up, Stay Blue? That's why I freaking bailed. It was looking like it was going to do this. Woo! Oh, shit. I got filled on TopStep. I didn't even know it. Oh, I'm up 570 on their test account today. So I put an order to get filled at the 200 and we bounced. And because this is why when I have too many accounts, you obviously saw me put these orders in, but I just left it and forgot about it. I completely forgot about it. I'm going to put one in right here for VWAP bounce. I'll probably forget about it though. So I'm off to another account. I don't know why I don't have VWAP on here. Yo, David, it ends on the 28th. I guess it ends the 28th at the end of the day. 28th, end of the day. Now, listen, do I think they're going to run another sale? Possibly. Is it going to be the same thing? I don't know. They might extend it. Like, I'm just being honest with you, David. But they're saying that it ends on the 28th. And it's a pretty good sale because you get 40% off, but there's no activation fee. An activation fee is normally $138. So, like when I got this account funded, I didn't have to pay $138. So that was really, it only works if you use the coupon code though. So use coupon code Cove Trader to get 40% off and no activation fee. But yeah, I think the best sale I've ever seen them run was 50% off. I think there was an activation fee, and then they did half off resets. So you could have reset your funded account for like $300 instead of $600, and that was their deal. So I don't know. You know, I'm just saying that it ends on the 28th. So that's for anybody in this room. Which is my favorite firm? I think each firm is used at a certain way that's good for certain people. I love TopStep. I think the TopStep rules are freaking great, especially if you're new, because if you get smoked, they'll hit the daily loss limit, but you still have the account for tomorrow, so you cannot lose. You cannot lose your account in one day. So that's why I tell a lot of people use TopStep. You know, and then if you're getting a lot of payouts and you're looking to get paid every single day, then Take Profit Trader would be the best for you, because you can do their their paid every single day deal. Once you're funded and you're over 52,000, you can pull out every single day. But oh, I did see that they're getting, yeah, but you could set it yourself, is what I heard. All the drawdowns usually stop at a certain limit. Once you hit a certain thing, the drawdown stops. I think TopStep is great. I think they offer a lot of tools. I like their platform the best. I have a link that would give you the best, whatever the deal is that's running at that time. It's in the description of this video. I do think that overall, if I had to pick an overall everything firm for newbies, people have been trading a lot, and expert, TopStep is great. But I think if you want daily payouts, you can't beat Take Profit Trader. I mean, daily payouts is kind of where I'm going with this account. All I got to do is get over 52,000, and then literally every day I just hit the freaking button and I just request money. Yeah, whatever the deal is, if you click the link, they give it to you. I mean, that's how they set it up. Yo, Stay Blue. It's actually $76 for the My Fund the Future starter. If you use the coupon code, you'll save an additional $4. Just throwing it out there. Coupon code saves you $4 on $80. It saves you 5% on any of the accounts. You know what I'm saying? This thing's looking weak again. This is why I think we're going to go down to VWAP. The VWAP. You got to remember, though, whatever firm you're with, at the end of the day, you have to make good trades. So, everybody's looking for the best rules, but literally, as long as you're making profitable trades, you're going to make money. And I think that's where you need to focus more than anything. Taking quality trade setups and focus really on that, rather than like switching from firm to firm. But I think overall, TopStep is great. And then I think if you've been around and have been getting a lot of payouts, Take Profit Trader could be amazing. That's kind of how I navigate. And I think Apex, just a lot of people use Apex. Apex is great when they have when they run a 90% off deal. I'm not going to say that it's not. I did not mean to. I am in the right account. Oh, shit. Bounce it. Bounce it, baby. Come on. Yo, Rob Morris. It's going pretty good. Definitely going. Come on. Give me a little Papa Rooski. I was just looking for a Scalpadoo. Woo! Adding gains to this TopStep account right now. I actually just got 55 bucks in my Rhythmic Apex funded. I got a little bit here. I was going to do it in this one. Right there is VWAP. So we bounced right off of VWAP. The VWAP. Yeah, I'm just in scout mode right now because I just feel like we're chopping around. Like we could bounce off of that and then come right back and sell right through it. You know, that's kind of what we're doing here. That's why I just took a scout. I don't feel completely confident that this is going to be the bottom. I bet you that we sell the frig off. Dude! Yo! Let's see how much they are. Dude, I was thinking about snorkeling gear. I was thinking about freaking. I was thinking about so many different things, John. I got that on my. I just put it on my list. I just added it to my cart. Um, yeah. Just start freaking with the goggles on. Just start freaking acting like I'm in the air. Oh, jeez. This just looks weak. We're Yo, I got a couple things to play around with. Oh, geez, this thing is gonna freaking dump. If we come back up to the 34 on a bounce, I'll take it short. I just need a bounce before I can go short here. You know what I'm saying? This would be a completely FOMO freaking chase, and I don't want to FOMO into it. So, but yeah, I've been saying short, and this looks weak freaking all over here. There's really no reason to be long, to be like honest with you guys. You should not have really been long. Like I'm talking like for the trend. Once you couldn't make a higher high, once it didn't bounce, you know, that was pretty much the end. Like this is awesome, a V-shaped recovery. Dude, this is actually a great setup. A V-shaped recovery and then kind of sells back to the 34 on the dot and then bounces and then sells down to the 200 and then bounces. If I was around, I mean, this is like prime freaking plays. Yo, Alex, what up? What up? We're having a pretty good day over here, actually. Net funded accounts. Woo! I'm up 55 on the laptop, down 44, so we'll just cancel that out. 1,200. Actually, I'm up like 1,400 bucks, $1,450 on my funded account today. Have you made profit, Take Profit Trader? Yeah, this is my Take Profit Trader funded account. My funded account is up 235 today. I only need another 1,400 for the buffer. Holy shnikes. What you don't want to be doing, guys, and I know somebody's in here trying to do it, do not just try to find the bottom. The move is for the bounce to reshort it. The move is not trying to find a bounce in thin air just because you think it's down far enough. I just want you guys to be clear and save you. I want to save your freaking accounts. I see Chipotle, as we were saying on the stream yesterday, is red right now. Chipotle. Have I withdrawn Take Profit Trader? No, I'm working it up right now. Take Profit Trader has been a little bit of a not good to me. But now it's getting good. I also got a brand new TopStep today, and I'm up 626 in it. I want to get funded in TopStep, and I want to get daily payouts in Take Profit Trader. Actually, getting daily payouts in Take Profit Trader is like seriously like the one thing I really wanted to do in the prop firm world. Take Profit Trader, 5th day today. Oh, yeah. Yo, the best part about it is hopefully use my coupon code and you don't have to pay any activation fee. What's interesting also today is CRM is up a ton. I literally just sold it. I know you guys talk about, yeah, my options account's only down 167, which isn't bad. This isn't enough bounce, man. I want to see a 34 bounce. That's 60 points. Holy shnikes. All right, so let me take a risk. This is super risky. FOMO'd. Don't follow this. I just took 75 bucks real quick. That's how fast you can make $75. That was literally 2.5 seconds. Oh, that was $85 in 2.5 seconds. That shit was wild. All right, so your daily loss is $1,100. So when you start the day, it's $1,100. So if you start the day at 50,000, if your account goes to 48,900, the account is smoked. Bye-bye. If you get that account to 51,000 within the same day, your daily loss still stays at 48,900. So now you have a big buffer. But when the day closes, the daily loss limit will go back to $1,100 on the day. That's how it works. If you want, do you understand that? Because I'll explain it. I'll explain it even further, or maybe even bring up an Excel sheet if you want me to. I just want you to understand how it works. But even once above the buffer, I believe so. And I will look for you right now. Let me look. It's a really good question. I think, yes. Yes, I fully get what you're saying. I actually think it changes. So there's a couple aspects that change once you're funded. Once you're funded, there's no more daily drawdowns. It's actually so So your daily loss rule is there even on a pro account. But if you go pro plus, there's no daily loss limit. And your drawdown, your total drawdown goes from end of the day on an eval to intraday like Apex once you're funded. Yep. So Pro Plus gets rid of that daily. There's no more daily loss limit on a Pro Plus account. Just let you know. Yeah. I'm looking at it on my other screen. So that's what I'm looking at. That's how it works. I would ask them though. If you want to ask them, feel free to just shoot them a little message. Oh, look at this. This is just selling off like a mofo. I will buy a bounce at this pivot point. Until then, I don't know. I kind of just I'd love to see it bounce back up to the VWAP and then short it. I don't know how to buy the Pro Plus account. I haven't gone. I didn't know you can just buy it. To be honest, and I'll keep it real. Oh, if you have to purchase the Pro Plus account, Alex, I would only do that after you've already gotten so many payouts. So basically, you're using their money and not your own money. So if you're newer and you're not getting payouts, then I would probably just stick with the pro account until I've gotten enough payouts that they're buying it from their money. I tell everybody that, guys, like your focus should literally just be on getting payouts and not all the stuff that kind of makes you like look at other stuff. Like, you know, you should have a set daily loss limit of much less than $1,100 on your funded account. You know, you should say, hey, listen, if I lose $500, like I'm done for the day in this thing. Like you shouldn't go on tilt and lose funded accounts. And that's the whole mental side of trading is not losing accounts due to that. A lot like John, so what you're talking about is like the live accounts, like Apex gives you a live account after you make X amount of dollars. They put you live. You know, oh, there you go. So then, yeah, by the time you hit that, you have their money. You have $5,000 of their money. Yeah, so you got to make $5,000 of profit. I wonder how much. Yeah, I was just gonna say I don't know how much it costs. Here, I'll look. How much does Take Profit Trader Pro Plus cost? I like doing this because oh, it's free? Then yeah, then I would probably upgrade. I mean, why not upgrade? That was a shitty candle. Oh, this one's getting the drawdown's getting a little tight. Let's see what happens here. Are they just going to sell this down again? Probably not, because everything I touch in this one account goes the other way. This is the account that I've had the most problems with ever. Nothing goes good in this account. This is like my account from hell. Every time I make some gains with this account, I just lose it. Well, I'm almost at an all-in type situation in this account. Yep. I'm about to go all in. Chips. Dude, it's above the 9. This is looking pretty good. It's above the 9. It's holding. It's got to get over 149, and this thing could probably rip. Don't make me put my freaking moon helmet on. I'll put my moon helmet on. No. But my drawdown is getting tight here. So in this account, I trade micros. Normally, I trade minis. I'm more of a mini trader. Yo, what's good, Willie? I'm trying to freaking use the paddles to get this account back to life. You're about to hear me be like, clear. I can't get this account. Oh, you know what I don't have? Actually, I don't have an eval account. I'm going to get myself a little eval account where I can just smash some freaking contracts and not have to worry about anything. I thought I got one today. Let's get one. Trader bait. Let's get fire up an eval. I'm just getting it ready. With my strategy, okay. You're going to want to sit down for this strategy, Alex. So when I have those big accounts that you need $9,000 or a 250 that needs $15,000, this is the strategy that I do. It's amazing. You basically wait for CPI or some big ass news at 8:30 and you take your shot. And once you take your shot, that's how I do it. I can't sit here and trade $9,000 worth of profit with a tiny drawdown. So every one of them that you see, I pass with news. Yeah, just keeping it as real as possible. News is your friend when it comes to needing massive gains in those types of accounts. Because if I traded them, so here, think of it like this, Alex. Ready? You got these accounts. A 50K account, you only need $3,000 to get funded. And then once funded, you can pull out $2,000. A 150 account, you need $9,000 of profit. And then after that, you still need to make $5,000 to pull money out. And you can only pull out $2,750. So you can only pull out $750 more dollars. And you had to have made almost double the amount in your funded account than the 50. And you had to make 3 times the amount in the eval than the 50. So you had to make all this extra profit for $750 extra dollars to pull out. That's why I tell people stick with the 50s. You know, I did it because they were running the deal, the $85 do I go in long some evals and short in others? I set orders for long in one and short in another, and whatever way the news goes, the news takes that account. But I set long, and then I also set a take profit. So yeah, I mean, you're setting to see what way it's going to go. Full ported two evals, one buy, one sell, both made 4K because of my trailing stock. Yeah, you could do it when there's news out. You could do all types of crazy stuff. You know, dude, I caught basically the top of this and didn't freaking hold. What a loser I am. What a freaking loser. You know what time it is, guys? It's Celsius time. By the way, today Celsius is looking good. I'll be right back. Just going to get the drink. Woo! Guess who's back? Back again. Oh, jeez. Before I start, this is Peach Vibe. Peach Vibe. Oh, the screen sees right through it, basically. It's freaking crazy. Oh, it sounds so good. Dude, have you guys had one of these things? Oh, man, that's so good. All right, what are we doing here? I'm going to take another freaking short here at the 34. Come on. Come on. You want to give it to me? I missed it. Is it a seltzer or a beer or something? No, it's an energy drink. Celsius is a publicly traded company. I actually made a ton of mofo and money off of it. See, dude, I mean, if I was on this stream, I was talking about Celsius for quite a bit. Here's the stock chart. So yeah, I mean, we're up. I've been talking about Celsius for a very long time. It's not on the West Coast. This is actually looking like it's going to break up. That was such a shitty thing to do. I just did. Damn, that thing went up. Yeah, man. Dude, I talk about stocks in here every once in a while. It's just, I know you guys don't really trade stocks, so I try to keep stock talk to a minimum. But yeah, Celsius is freaking amazing. Dude, it tastes so good. Pepsi ended up investing with them, and then they ended up investing more with them. So they're kind of getting a Pepsi push, and it's just growing. It's freaking growing like gangbusters. But yeah, this shit's gonna roll. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, what I do is I take my money from farmland and I stock with it. I got some money on the sidelines waiting for this big dip that we're getting. You know, it's not on here. I'll be honest with you. I can only talk about what has happened to me, and I've gotten paid from Apex every single time. Just keeping it real. Like I don't like they don't pay me anything. I make freaking like nothing from the coupon code. Like nothing. They have no idea who I am. I'm just a nobody, and they paid me every single time. They paid me every single time. So that's all I could say. I did have to submit my trade plan to them, and I made them a video of like how I do certain trades. So I did have to provide a lot of information, but I've never had an issue. They'd never denied me a payout. And I'm not like fanboy. Like I could give two shits, to be honest with you. Like I always tell everybody, anyways. I would go with TopStep or Take Profit Trader over Apex, but you know, are you effing kidding me that this just did that? This is gonna cycle down. All right, so just scalping, no DCA and everything. Yeah, I don't DCA. Yeah, I don't. You know, if you don't have a trade, what if you don't have a trade plan or video proof? I mean, you should have a trade plan. I mean, how do you determine what trades you get in? You know, oh my God. Oh, dude, this account's almost smoked. You guys want to see me blow a freaking funded account? It's coming. It's coming in the air of the night like Phil Collins. Oh, jeez. Fuck, man, I'm improving and it feels so good. Confidence going up. I went from taking 30 to 100 trades a day and making some amount of feels freaking nice. Just need to work on the discipline and entry. Nah, you could DCA. You're allowed to DCA one time, by the way. Yo, that is a good song, John. I like the Mike Tyson when he's like, and he fucking punches the guy in The Hangover. Fucking awesome. Dude, Kevin, your power went out. You always got to get a good entry. Entry, I tell everybody the entry is the most important because if you get a really good entry, even if you're wrong on the position, you can kind of still make money sometimes. Oh, if they ask for a video, the best is at the end of the video, I just run and just got up in my boxers. And I was just like, oh, what's up, guys? My bad. And then clicked it off. Today I took 7 trades up 700. Dude, what was the big turning point, Stay Blue? Like what, just so you can tell other people, tell like what was the big turning point, like the aha moment? You know, I feel like everybody has that thing that like, you know, turn them from not profitable to like profitable. Like my thing was implementing the right indicators and waiting for it to come to my indicators. Terrible timing on that. Just closed them out at 40 points. Dude, that 40 points profit's nice. Is it going to reject a third time off? Patience and respect your strategies. You were comping like crazy, and then I would get trapped. I always felt like I was missing on moves, but all it was getting into chop. Yeah, yeah, Yo, it's funny because everybody has a different trading style. There's a guy that was in here yesterday. This guy, brother. Ooh, John O'Connor. Boom. Hit you with the old flex. I needed to get the link because I want to open up the conversation I had with this guy, brother, on Discord. Um, he was in here yesterday, and he actually like called the freaking bottom. Oh, brother free. He actually sent me his he actually just sent me his script for cumulative delta divergence, which I'm going to put on and test out, and I'll let you guys know how it works. And then, yeah, I mean, what's your email? Yeah, he seemed really knowledgeable. I mean, it was the first day I met him, so I can't. I'm not going to vouch for him for you know something huge, but he seems like a nice guy. Seems like he's helping everybody out. And he was on the stream yesterday, and I think he uses cumulative delta. So I use cumulative delta also, which you see here, and I'm always looking for divergences. So I'm curious on how his works different. Oh, FOMOing. Yo, FOMO is crazy, man. I'll FOMO in, but I know I'm just telling you when I do. And I'm like, yeah, I'm just being a freaking. This looks breaking out, but look at that. They just sold that off 20 points. Someone just bought that break and got pushed in, if you know what I'm talking about. Man, that's dirty. A stop loss is key for many turnarounds. Accepting you're wrong. Yeah. Yep. Being selective and doing stop losses. Yeah. High quality setups. Yeah, yo, I'm telling you, that sucked somebody in without a doubt because somebody did this. I'm telling you, somebody did this. Somebody drew that line, and when it broke, they took that trade. And if they're still in it, they're down 30 points because they don't want to accept that they were wrong and is walking like a penguin. So, anyways, that's an account destroyer right there. Like, because they'll be down 30 points with one mini, and they're down $600, and maybe they even added at the 9, and now they're freaking down $1,000, and this doesn't look good. So they could just be rolling over, and then the account's destroyed. Yeah, I like to reduce because I definitely reduce size when I'm up a lot, or I'll call it a day on a certain account. My bad. I'm refreshing it because I bought myself an eval. Here's a new eval. Holy shit. This should be like illegal. It's so good. They claim 0 sugar. I don't know what's in it. I don't even want to know what's in it. I don't even want to know. Yo, full port degen. Yeah, I mean, I can. What do you want? Want me to fucking light it up? I feel like I'm hitting the button on like state.com to drop the little Plinko balls. Let's see if it goes. Yo, what up, Kim? Come on. Oh, we're not going to the moon. I'll just start swimming. I think we're gonna. Holy shit! That's a huge wick. Let me get in. Let me get in my real account. That's a big wick. That's a huge. The fact that they just bought that completely up is pretty crazy to me, actually. I mean, they just bought it up 35, 20 points. Oh, man. Fuck it. If they break this, I mean, I think it's a huge long. Dude, can you explain to me the end of day top on TopStep? I don't know how to use their TopStep X this morning with buttons. Yeah, sure, I can help you out. Okay. So end of day just means they take your end of day balance. So if you start at 50,000 and then you go to 51,000 and then back down to 50,500 at the end of the day, the end of day is where they mark your the end of day is where they mark your drawdown. Dude, this is a moon play. I freaking had it right too. It's just this whip took me out of freaking. Oh, dude. I got taken out on this wick down, but I was completely right that we were going long. Dude, this is moon. So do you understand what I'm talking about, Kim, at the end of the day, how it works? So basically, they calculate the drawdown based on your end of day balance and not intraday like Apex does, whatever your high is. It's based on the. So if I'm up 51,000 and lost 1,000, yes, yes, you're right. You lost 1,000 on your drawdown, yes. But what they do is they calculate it at the highest of the account at the end of day. So each day when you're done, they take your ending daily balance high, not the high of where it was in the middle of the day. Like Apex takes the middle of the day balance, whatever that was the high, while TopStep takes whatever the daily end of the day balance is. So it kind of lets you be able to let your runners run, because you can let your runners run high, come back down a little bit, run higher, and all they're doing is calculating your drawdown based on the end of the day and not how high it was through the day. And that's why Apex is kind of good. Not Apex. Why TopStep is good, because they let you do a drawdown on the All right, I'm in on this. I'm freaking in. Am I going to get smoked out? I'm going to smoke this account. This account is gone. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Nope. No, this account's fucking smoked. Holy shit. Holy shit. Ho ho! Woo! 165. I got 35 bucks because that was crazy. Hold on, I'm putting this back in the box. Oh my god. Dude, we went to the moon on that, by the way. All right, when do they stop counting the drawdown? If you have a funded account, once you hit over, the 52,000, the drawdown will stop at 50,100. That's when the drawdown stops. Yo, anybody take this? By the way, when I take my trades, I always put more probabilities. So right here, you have the 200 NVWAP. So that's two things, and that's why I took this short. I also want you guys to learn why I take these trades and not just watch me put my orders in and take them. The reason is there's more things that stack the probability of it rejecting. Always do first touch. First touch, we kind of overshot, we dropped. But when you come up for a second touch, I'm out. We're not doing second touches here. So I just want you guys to see that. The idea of this stream is for you guys to learn how to trade and take payouts as I take payouts, and not just follow me, but maybe take little nuggets of what I do and put it in your own system. Do you guys get that? Like, I want this to be instructional and learn, not just, yo, the wood. Yo, any tips on how I can cut my losses? I'm constantly losing my accounts because of this. Hey, man, sometimes you got to degen in, Kim. So, DeWood, tell me why you've taken a couple of your trades. You know what I would love to do, DeWood, is, so are you trading on Tradeovate by any chance? Are you on Tradeovate? Like, what are you trading with? I'm going to get a snap. Just put in what you're trading with right here. Woo! Okay, I'm back. No, I'm on Sierra chart. Just switch from. What I was curious is, like, kind of what what trades you took today and why. Oh, shit. I didn't mean to double up. Fuck. Oh, that was a good scalp, though. That was a good scalp. So, like, what trades did you take today? Yo, you got an Ash. Yo, I did stay blue. Yo, if you're going to go to the moon, you got to be ready. Yo, this whole move was because I got the moon hat. I mean, how are you going to go to the moon if you're not prepared? This isn't the account to be dicking around with, to be honest with you. Come on, push it. What's your thoughts on my funded futures? I think they're legit. I think they're real. In my second short market, I pulled back and I sized up 2 contracts, but I eventually get, dude, don't use 2 contracts. Why don't you trade using 5 micros and tell me how you trade after that? I think you're sizing up too big, to be honest with you. I think you're playing with too much size. And that's what I would first do. I would play 5 micros instead of 2 minis. So that will be a quarter of the size that you're playing with. And then you won't get nervous when you're looking at your P&L. You know what I'm saying? So you can DCA one time. So one time you can go from 5 micros. Yeah, I would play micros, man, all day. You're crazy for playing 2 minis. Like 2 minis, like if you think about it, 2 minis, 10 points is $400. Stay blue. Yo, I got some scuba gear. Yo, I'm gonna get a bunch of freaking outfits, and I'm just gonna outfit change every time I go long or short. Jimmy D, my funded futures is good. They're offering deals. You could save 5% off whatever they're offering with my coupon code. I think they have good rules. I know they pay. You know, like it's just another good firm. You know, at the end of the day, you still got to make good trades. But I definitely think that I think they're legit. I think it's a good firm to try out. The problem with my funded futures is you can't scout. They want you to stay in trades for 30 seconds. Are you kidding me? I just missed out on $200. F you guys. Yo, Terrence, what's up? Yo, what's up, man? Yo, thanks. I want you to enjoy yourself. Are you taking out any payouts? What are you trading, Terrence? Yo, brother. I love scalping, man. I like to scalp to just do small gains, and then I'll slam something when the real setup is there. Like this was the real setup. If you look, this was a real break. Not one of these candles, but once it got over the 34. What's up, Oliver? Yeah, that's pretty good. Apex and take profit trader. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do in TopStep. Yo, brother, I messaged you back on Discord. I sent you my email, and I just downloaded your script like 20 minutes ago. I'm gonna set up the script after hours. Oh, you're passing. All right. So you're passing, but you're blowing them up, dude. Well, sitting here where a lot of guys are getting their first payouts that have been in the chat. So hopefully you can. I don't want to say learn, but maybe you can figure something out or whatever, and possibly get some payouts. There's a couple guys that are getting their first payout. I want to say like 3 or 4 people in the chat are getting their first payout or just did get their first payout. Yo, what up, Pine Tree? Yeah, I mean, dude, this was a crazy freaking move that just happened here. Look at that. They retest VWAP, though. Couldn't get over it. That was a solid rejection point. I wouldn't short down here. But you know what's interesting is that we made up all this ground today, and the market's still closing green, closing red. Like we were all the way up here, and we can't hold it. All right. Yeah. All good. Sorry for eating on the stream, guys. I haven't eaten all day. And what's even worse is I fasted from Monday through Wednesday. I went 50 hours without eating, ate dinner last night, and then I didn't eat all day today. And I'm like freaking starving. Terrence, you go on tilt? Yeah, I've been there. Usually when I'm about to go on tilt, I just fire up some evals and I'll blow evals for the stream. That's pretty much what I do to save me my funded accounts. Nothing like blowing up some evals for everybody. Holy Yo, hold on one second, everybody. 75K in profit for the day? What? Are you trading with Take Profit Trader by any chance? Yeah, dude, Take Profit Trader is going to pay you out. What do I think of Take Profit Trader? I think they're awesome, especially if you're getting payouts. Yeah, but make sure you use Make sure you use the coupon code, because if you do, you save 40% and you don't pay an activation fee. Cards fan. Because people will ask me, like, why is it 170 bucks? It's not 170 bucks. And then people will be like, I passed, but they want me to pay an activation fee. I'm like, well, you should have used the coupon code then. Wait, you're banned from Take Profit Trader, brother free? How did that happen? Captain Price, what up? How'd you get banned from Take Profit Trader? Ah, I'm definitely interested. Yo, this market's crazy. Like literally, we just dropped 100 points. Like what's going on? I know what's going on. I'm about to fire up another eval and go all in. The biggest problem is we were in on this move and it just dipped. So I'm going to buy 3 instead of 5. All right. This is starting to scoop up a little bit. You have only tried Apex. I mean, other firms are good. It depends on what you're. I like TopStep. I like Take Profit Trader. I like My Funded Futures. Those are the only other ones I would say you should try. You know, realistically. I wouldn't go to some of these other random ones. There's some like I didn't even realize how many prop firms there are. There's like 40 or 50 of these things. Yeah, you could scalp on TopStep. Mm-hmm. Yep. What a crazy fake out. I guess look, it just topped right here. Where it topped right here. Boom. If we come back up and make a head and shoulders, that's what you're talking about. Are you counting this as a shoulder right here? This little guy? It seems like it's going to collapse. It does. Wait, your Rhythmic Pro is delayed, Vexus? How? Vexus, you need to take screenshots and put it in the Discord so I can help you walk you through it. If you put your screenshots in the thing one at a time, I'll help you walk you through setting it up and everything. Here's the Discord if anybody wants to join. It's free. Yeah, I trade every day. That's how what's my strategy? I have a bunch of videos, but I use a lot of pivot points. I use a lot of pivot points, a lot of VWAP, a lot of like support and resistance. I mean, you saw me take a quick scalp off the 200 on this candle right here. You know, I'll ride the 34 trends. You know, rejection, rejection, rejection. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I look for. I try to keep it simple. You know, these guys get too crazy, but I do play around with other scripts to kind of get a feel for something else that I might like. I'm just seeing if I missed any. Yeah, I mean, this is where it should hold. If it doesn't hold here, it's gonna freaking collapse. Uh-oh. Whoa. Well, here's a question, KK. Uh, when you scalp, why do you get in the scalp? Like what makes you get in and out? That's the question. So like why do you get in a scalp? Because you're not just rolling the dice. Although I've done that before. I pulled up the magic 8 ball and just went one way. But seriously, yeah, I mean, you know, there's a reason why you're buying it. You're not just buying it randomly. So still a solid day. Yeah, that's a solid day. I'll hit you with I'll hit you with the confetti. Oh shit. Oh, this thing, dude, my computer just hold on. I gotta just refresh the thing I'm on. Hold on one sec. Oh, this is dumping. Hold on. I'm back. Guess who's back? Back again. I don't know why that happens. It happens like once a day. Yeah, I mean they asked me, so that's why I had to do it. Um, you know, I'm sure not everybody, but you know, you can come up with some. Dude, I everybody anybody has questions in here, I answer them. So if you have questions, I have answers. I know that's some company. Um, but yeah, I try to answer everybody that's in here. So that's the deal. But yeah, I think see if they ask. If they ask you, we'll come up with something to say. I mean, you made the money, you should get paid, you know? Do I ever use Camarilla pivots? I don't know. I never used that before. I just use standard pivots. Standard pivots is what works for me. I don't think you're going to have any issues, to be honest with you. They're awesome. Oh, geez, you're going to get me to look at this right now, aren't you? Okay, here we go. Let's see what I'm missing out on. Bum, bum, bum. Which one? The top one? Use the Tradeovate one. Dude, what happened to it? Um, why is it not showing up? How do you get yours? Now I want to see. Oh man, now I want to see what I added them. Here we go. I'm gonna put it on here. So level 2 is 073. No, there's none around here. I went there. I didn't see it. Look, indicators. Why aren't they showing up? Oh, here we go. Oh, apparently I have them ready. Oh, where do I have them? Dude, I had these already in here. That's what it looks like. What's crazy is they're different on trade on 1073, and then you do it over here. That's what it looks like on your thing. Yeah, but is this what it looks like? It's kind of like weird. Yeah, I don't. It's not. I mean, this isn't. It's kind of funky. I kind of like it better on the. I kind of like it better on Trading View, only because it's more. You could see it. L3 is green, so L3 is 1908. Dude, we ripped 1908. I'll play it. I'll degen into 1908. Oh, I have a freaking. Oh, you know what I got? I got a fresh Apex freaking eval. Oh, baby. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, Jesus. Oh, the Macho Man, Randy Savage. Oh, dude, that was a good hit. Um, let's see what happens here. Ooh. I guess I'll start freaking getting out some over here. Should I take my gains? All right. Well, I almost passed this one right there. Wow. Wowzers is right. It blew past the bottom line. 1908 was the pivot point bottom. Wow. Dude, I mean, I freaking, that was a good bounce. Dude, just 3 minutes left. I don't want to degen into anything. I do think we can get a nice rip here. Let me see. I'll buy one. Let's see if they can just rip it up to watch them be able to rip it like to 60 or something. Or are they going to stop me out? Wow. I'll leave this script up. I'm just curious how I don't know how this goes with your trade of eight. Are the lines pretty much the same? Like you have 1905 or 06 on yours? Like is that where L3 was? 1906? Just so I know. I'm kind of happy where today is, so I kind of don't want to do anything. I feel like they're going to rip it up. I'm all in on this. This account is going to be smoked. 19073. Yeah, I guess it's close. Okay, so yeah, so it works. Oh, this account smoked. For the stream, done. Bye bye. Toodles. Toodles. Bro, that account has been a nightmare for me. I do not know why I couldn't get a winning trade in that account. Oh, look, it's coming right back up. That's wild. I mean, I could see it coming right back, right and touching, you know. Yeah, I'm just going to keep them on my chart and just kind of look at it. Like, 1955, I'm buying on that, which is 1955. I don't know if we're going to get down there. Who's got earnings after hours? What earnings are after hours? Is I don't know who has them after hours right now. Not like Meta or Microsoft or anybody. I can't believe this sell off. Holy shnikes. Come on. Are we going to just, come on, you're going to fill me and then we'll bounce? Small companies, yeah. All right, let's see what happens. I'm almost in it to win it. Let me get ready. All right. Come on. No? Nope. Holy shit. This is just straight. Dude, this is just straight freaking selling. Oh, baby. This is the dump. Dude, they just straight sold this off. Like, literally 200, 300 points in like The last 30 minutes? Boom. Got some of that back in my funded account. Oh. Boom. Basically got it all back just now, in this account at least. Are you shitting me? I would be up in all those right now. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I couldn't help myself. Like a freaking degen. Straight degen. Straight degen. Couldn't help myself. Gonna get smoked because I'm a freaking idiot. Here we go. Stopped out. Bye bye. Dude, are they gonna drop this all the way down to 18,900? This is wild. This is freaking just a dump. Fuck it. F it. You know? Remember, chicks like the guy that goes for it. Yo, I blew up my TopStep account. Say, oh no. Oh, dude. That sucks, man. Yeah, but at least you got paid out. I mean, at the end of the day, it's all about getting payouts. So you want to take the maximum amount of money because say you took 200 less dollars, you still could have blown that and then you would have gotten 200 less dollars. Come on, push this thing the frig up. Push it up. I want to see 20,000 right now. Don't make me put the helmet on. Come on, push it up. Bro, push it up. You have 2 evals about halfway through. I'm getting 1 rebuild tomorrow on the Thunderbone B Combine tomorrow. Well, that's good. Yeah, I'm so pissed off about this whole thing. Like, I know what's going to happen is I'm going to get stopped out, and then it's going to come back up, and that's it. TopStep actually just filled my order automatically, even though I wanted to be in. It's kind of weird. I think we have room to back to 19,000 here. Come on. That's weird. Okay, I got some of my money back. I feel better about myself. Okay. Got a little bit back there. I just keep moving my stop up now. Oh, TopStep closes at 410. Oh, look, they just made me miss this freaking. They made me miss out on this. $19,000 is the spot. Oh, come on, keep pushing. All right, I'm out. Okay, I made some money back there. I actually got some of my losses back, and that was pretty good. I mean, don't FOMO in now, but we definitely made some money right here. I just made back my losses in this, made back some in here. I mean, I'm still down from this, but I made some of it back, which is nice. Yo, brother, if you're brother, you're not on anymore. Jeez. Dude, this is a crazy freaking rip. Wow. We might see the 34 right here. That was legit. That was legit. Woo! I'm just watching. All right, I gotta go. I gotta go freaking finish up my day. And today was a good day overall, I think. Net, I'm up in my funded accounts. And honestly, at the end of the day, that's all that I care about. So I will see you guys tomorrow.